In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram post using the Meta Business Suite. Whether you're a seasoned social media manager or just someone looking to streamline your posting process, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. You'll be able to manage your content more effectively and reach your audience without hassle. Let's start by opening up the Meta Business Suite. Once you're on the home screen, you'll notice a Create Post button that stands out. This is your gateway to composing a new post. With just a click, you'll enter the post creation interface. If your Instagram account is connected to the suite, it should appear in the account selection area. Make sure it's chosen so that your post goes to the right place. Next, it's time to upload your media. Whether it's a photo, a series of images, or a catchy video, this is your chance to let your creativity shine. Navigate through your files and select the media that aligns perfectly with the message you want to convey. This is a fun step, as visuals can truly capture your audience's attention and drive engagement. Once your media is uploaded, it's crucial to add a compelling caption. And captions are where you can add context, ask questions, or even include a call to action for your audience. Craft something engaging that resonates with your followers and complements your visual content. Remember, a good caption can significantly boost interaction, so take a moment to make it count. Now that your post is starting to come together, you'll need to decide when to share it. Meta Business Suite offers flexibility here. You can either publish the post immediately or schedule it for a later time. Scheduling is an excellent option if you want your posts to go live when your audience is most active or if you're planning content ahead of time. Simply choose the date and time and let Meta Business Suite do the rest for you. One of the powerful features of Meta Business Suite is the ability to customize the post for both Instagram and Facebook, provided your accounts are linked. This means you can adjust the content slightly for different audiences on each platform. Perhaps you want a shorter caption for one or need to tweak the media to better fit the format. Take advantage of this to optimize your reach. As you finalize your post, a live preview will be displayed on the side, allowing you to visualize exactly how it will appear once published. This feature helps ensure everything looks perfect and aligns with your brand's aesthetic before it hits the digital stage. And just like that, your Instagram post is ready to go live or set up to publish at your chosen time. With these simple steps, you're all set to engage your audience with stunning, well-timed content. So get creative and have fun sharing your story with the world. Thank you for watching, and happy posting with Meta Business Suite.